I can't switch off. Like my body forgot how.
I woke up at 4 again, just lay there. At some point I felt like giving up.
I trained really hard this block and I don't feel it, the recovery. It's like something's not clicking.
I've tried everything, like everything. I was taping my mouth shut at one point.
My deep sleep numbers are garbage. And I know that's where it all happens, Scott. The repair, the hormones, all of it. I just can't get there.
My body feels like it's supposed to have like its Spokane and running a background process that never finishes. My friend sent me these discs, ANF Sleep and Recharge. I was like, but discs? What does that even mean? But she said, just trust her. So I tried it.
Third night in, I actually slept. Like Rudd actually slept.
I didn't set an alarm and I just woke up naturally and I felt alive. That hasn't happened in a long time.
It's 2 discs, you put them on before bed, and that's it. One's for your melatonin high, not like a pill, it's supporting what your body already makes. The other one's for deep sleep, delta waves. I don't fully understand the science, but my body does.
HRV's up. Deep sleep is consistent finally. However it's doing it, my body seems to love it.
My coach called it biocoherence, when your systems are finally all communicating and optimizing. I think I get it now.
Which honestly, I'd forgotten what that felt like.
ANF
Sleep and recharge.
Start tonight.